Tkinter check button widget returning wrong Boolean value. I have a simple GUI here that's supposed to return a Boolean value depending on whether the check button is checked or not. I've set the Boolean variable to false, hence the empty check button. What I don't understand is that when I check the button, the function binded to that widget returns a false instead of true. Why is that? Here's the code. When checking the empty button, the function outputs. Shouldn't it return true now that the button is checked?
The Boolean value is changed after the bind callback is made. To give you an example, check this out. When you press the check button, the first output is false, then the value was changed, which means that the value was changed after the getBool callback is completed. What you should do is to use the command argument for the setting the callback. Look. The output is first the value was changed, then true. For my examples, I use boolver.trace. It runs a lambda callback when the Boolean value changes, w.
Wie war das denn? Schau, dieses ist fein.